Hey, what's up? This is Adrian Olak, and I'm gonna do the unboxing of the Trick or Treat Studios 1974 Leatherface mask. Alright, I'm gonna grab it. Just came in this white bag. It came in the regular mail, not the UPS or nothing. It was just regular mail. So I tore it open, and it just came out like this. Pretty cool. Ah! It don't have the hair on because I already have long hair, but came with this thingy. All the masks. See, I got this one. That's the one I have. This is the one with the hair, and I think it has that mouth thing. But this is the one I have. And I was wondering, like, since it don't have the hair, how is it gonna stay on? But it comes with this thingy for your head, and this one for your neck. This is the inside. It has that metal wire. Yeah, it says you can like fix the eyes and all that. Like if they're too small, you can like cut it. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I'll put it on real quick. And like your nose goes in this thing, so yeah, I might have to like cut some of this off, like a little bit, probably like an inch. But yeah, they have this wire thing to keep the mouth open, but that's how it is in the real picture. On the real mask it has all that, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, I might have to cut the eyes up because they're a little saggy, but see, because I can see you, but it looks like it's covering my eyes. But I know it's supposed to be there because my nose is right in here. I'll show you from the back. I don't see nothing because of my hair, but it's under there. Pretty cool. I'm gonna buy all the other stuff later. I'm gonna buy the clothes and the chainsaw and all that. So I might post this video and then post another video with the costume. Alright, I'll decide what I do, but I'll post this video, and thanks.